very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is prayer, humanity's living bridge to the divine cosmic energy, transmitting, receiving, and giving back in the sacred flow of life. Ladies and gentlemen, from the dawn of consciousness, humanity has sought a connection beyond the visible, a timeless longing to reach out to the vast, unseen cosmic energy. Prayer stands as that universal bridge, not just words or rituals, but a profound act of transmitting, receiving, and contributing energy. Across cultures and across centuries, prayer has been the sacred way to converse with the infinite, to align with the cosmos, and to participate in the great energy flow of existence. At its core, prayer is energy. Thoughts themselves are subtle waves of energy carrying vibrations that ripple into the cosmic field. The human brain, exquisitely designed as a transmitter, receiver, and contributor, is the living instrument of this sacred exchange. Modern neuroscience shows that authentic prayer activates brain regions linked to emotion, empathy, intuition, and higher thought, thus confirming what ancient wisdom has always known. The health of the human brain, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and aspirationally, is vital for transmitting clearly, receiving purely, and contributing powerfully. Prayer flows into two sacred currents: the heartfelt expression of gratitude and the sincere seeking of help. When seeking is involved, emotional energy plays a crucial role. A sincere heart strengthens the signal, lifting the seeker's vibration closer to the divine cosmic frequency. The cosmos listens. The divine responds, not always in words, but through currents of energy, flashes of insight, and shifts within. The human system must then decode these cosmic gifts received as thoughts, intuitions, or inspired actions. Stillness, clarity, and emotional honesty help in recognizing and acting upon these cosmic inputs. Yet, prayer is not merely asking, it is participating. The energy received, whether it heals, strengthens, or guides, carries an invitation to complete the circle by contributing back to the system. When a seeker, after meeting their own needs, generates more energy, and helps others rise, the cosmic system flows even more abundantly through them. Thus, prayers, one's own and those of others, find fulfillment in visible and invisible ways. This is the architecture of grace: genuine intention, pure emotion, open reception, conscious action, and generous contribution. What's the way forward in today's world of endless noise? The silent, sacred connection with cosmic energy has never been more essential. Prayer is not superstition. It is the ancient science of energy and consciousness, where modern science and eternal spirituality meet. The path forward lies in nurturing the whole human being: mind, body, heart, and spirit, refining thoughts, elevating emotions, and consciously becoming a source of positive energy. Every prayer is a seed. Every contribution is its blossoming. Every soul is a living bridge between the human and the divine. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, as the Bhagavad Gita reminds us, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that as an offering to me. Prayer in this light is not only a plea, it is a profound participation. It is humanity's sacred interface with the divine cosmic energy, a living dialogue of humility, responsibility, and love. In embracing prayer as a conscious, dynamic, and sacred exchange, humanity reclaims its original design: to receive with gratitude, to act with purpose, and to give with love, helping not only oneself but uplifting the entire world through the unseen currents of energy that bind all life together. Thus, prayers are not only answered, they become instruments through which the universe itself heals, grows, and ascends. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.